Workflow Data Fabric unifies business and technology data across your organization, providing real-time data access from any source to power workflows and AI agents in the ServiceNow AI platform. With Workflow Data Fabric capabilities, you can access enterprise data from external data lakes such as Snowflake, Databricks, and Google BigQuery, data warehouses including Amazon Redshift, and databases including Oracle. Retrieve enterprise data in real time as if it were stored on your instance using zero-copy connections. Enrich workflows and AI agents with actionable data in real time. Workflow Data Fabric Hub user roles include the connection admin, who creates and manages connections, and the data steward, who accesses established connections and develops data fabric tables. Now let's take a tour to see how these roles can get started in the application. The overview page in the Workflow Data Fabric Hub displays available data sources and established connections. The connection admin can create a connection to an available data source or view details for established connections. They can also test connections. The Available Connectors page provides a selection of available data sources. The connection admin can create a secure connection to an external data lake or data warehouse. The Established Connections page lists the connections created by the connection admin, which can be searched by source, status, and more. The connection admin configures which roles have data steward access to the connection on the Access Control tab and updates the connection, if necessary, on the Connection Details tab. Now that the data steward has access to the connection, they can plan the data model by viewing the external schemas and tables on the Data Assets tab. When planning is finished and all the requirements are gathered, the data steward can create a data fabric table by mapping data between tables and optionally creating references to other tables. The Data Fabric Tables page lists all the data fabric tables created by data stewards. After adding a data fabric table, the data steward can edit the table to update mapping and references. Data fabric tables shipped by applications are also available here on the Data Fabric Tables page. A data steward can connect a data fabric table from an application to an external data source or a different local table on the instance. Now that the data fabric table is connected to Snowflake, the data steward can map source columns to each target column in the data fabric table. With Workflow Data Fabric, you can transform your instance from a system of record into a system of action too. Leverage unified, real-time data in metrics, analytics, and reporting. Embed data to enable business users to access external data that meets their needs. Enhance AI-powered features and provide fuel to AI agents. Expand workflow automation with data from both internal and external sources. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.